Welcome to 342 Newman Hollow Road in Bean Station. This home is minutes to Cherokee Lake. It is a stunning 2008 built 2-story plus basement home. One of the first things you notice when you walk into this house are the beautiful hardwoods. You've got great finishes in this home. This kitchen is ideal for cooking, for entertaining. It's open to your family room and close to your dining area. The lot in this house is huge. It's almost 1.5 acres. It is a double lot, which we love. Also on the main level, you've got your 2-car garage, you've got a laundry room, and your primary bedroom with an ensuite bathroom that is complete with a walk-in shower, as well as a soaking tub, and your walk-in closet is just off this bathroom. If we check out the upstairs, we've got 2 additional true bedrooms, as well as an office space, a full bath, and a huge bonus room. Great for entertaining, great for a home gym space. Anything you need, you have plenty of space upstairs. In the basement, this is for those that want to store their boat, that want to tinker, that need workshop or extra car space. This home is awesome in terms of views, in terms of location, in terms of the property itself. Nobody can build on either side of you, which we love, and we are less than 10 minutes to all the amenities of Morristown.